Boom shakalaka, and we are back for something even better than last time. We got a major lobster tail here from Route 66. They're about probably 2 to 3 pounds, baby. We're gonna do that with the Peckers chicken, the beer can chicken and seafood rub with some garlic and butter. And then we got this arrangement of meat here. We got a cowboy bone and ribeye. We got a T-bone here. And then we also got a couple fillets that we're gonna do with Rub Your Chub, of course. So let's start over here. Right? Then we're gonna add this delicious garlic butter. I don't know if you can tell right there, to it. Hit it all over there. Oh yeah, this is going to be awesome, everyone. Okay, and then we're gonna hit it back again with the Rub Your Chub. Let's go over here. Everything's olive oiled up. Got the Rub Your Chub here. Everything is from Route 66, baby. Check them out. Now, that grill over there is blazing, probably 600, 650 degrees. We're gonna sear the sucker, we're gonna lower it. These things gotta cook to a medium rare temperature. Take it off about 125, let it rest for 10 minutes. Carve that sucker up. We'll see you on the grill, baby. Peace out. We are putting all of this right on the grill. Like I said, it's over 500 degrees searing temperature. Let's throw these babies on. Put that lobster on right there. We'll be back. Let's check them out, baby. Wow, look at all this. Absolutely perfect. Look at that. Some fillets right there. That nice juicy steak and that major lobster tail, baby. We are in business. We are back. We are inside. We are off the grill. We got this amazing 3-pound lobster tail from Route 66 with Peckers. A little bit of butter, garlic, and more Peckers. This has been resting for 10 minutes. Like I said, you always have to let it rest for 10 minutes before you cut it open because those juices have to come back in. And then we have this T-bone steak right here that's gonna be delicious. So let's start carving this up and see how I did. Hopefully it's the right temperature. So we're gonna flip it. Oh yeah, perfect pink right down the middle. You can't beat that. That's what we're looking for. And look at that just fall. That's exactly what we're looking for. We got a couple more fillets here. We got the lobster tail we're gonna enjoy. We'll see you next time. Love you all.